Pillow links in SEO. What is it and why should you care? Find out in this video. Hi guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome you to another video on SEO. In today's video, I'll explain to you what are pillow links and why they are important for your link building strategies. So the chances are you might not have heard about this before, but if you have, make sure you type yes in the comment section down below. Pillow links are the term in SEO which are used to define the type of links that are not built specifically to improve your rankings, but rather to improve the diversifications of your backlinks profile. So for example, if your backlink strategies mainly depends on guest posts, or for example, let's say you want to rank your article, on the first page of Google, and mainly you focus on guest posting, then that will be your main link building strategies, right? Guest post. But you know that Google doesn't like manipulations, right? They don't like people to do SEO, to do link building, because it's against their terms of service and policies. So that's where the pillow links comes into play. So pillow links can be any types of links that are built to increase the diversifications of your backlinks profile. Like, so for example, if your main strategy depends on guest posts, then pillow links can be any types of links that let's say are not related to that. For example, comments backlinks, right? No follow backlinks, let's say local citations, right? All these other types of links, right? So the more diversified your backlinks profile is, the better the chances are to avoid any type of penalties, right? So whenever you build backlinks to your website, you need to make sure that your backlinks profile are diverse enough, right? So you wouldn't want to just focus on one type of backlinks strategies, but you would rather want to diversify it. So when it comes to pillow links, there are different types of it, right? So for example, no follow links, right? No follow links. Let's say if your backlinks profile contains like 95% do follow links, now definitely that doesn't look natural, right? Because none of the sites on the internet, if they were to like attain links naturally, would get 95% do follow backlinks, right? So in order to make it natural, you would want to build more no follow links, let's say from comments or wherever you want, in order to reduce the percentage of do follow links down. Besides, if 100% of all your backlinks profile are text-based links, again, that doesn't look natural, right? So you would want to build more backlinks from your images, right? Let's say, or for example, your iframe, your HTML frame, something like that, like diverse different type of links, right? So besides, also local citation can also act as a pillow links to diversify your backlinks profile, right? So that's pretty much it. And make sure that you use no pillow links in your backlinking strategies, right? Because without it, you will get you'll be at risk of getting penalized by Google, because eventually they will be able to track your footprint, and they will know that you have done link building, and they will be after you. Well, before I sign off from this video, I like to tell you why you may not have heard about this before, right? So pillow links are basically like a very kind of like an old concept, right? An old term used in SEO a long times back, when people at that time when people were really like focusing on building links, building the black hat stuff, like for example PBNs, right? All these stuff. So in order to make their backlinks profile looks natural, that they don't get caught by Google, they invented this term like pillow links, and they use this method in order to do it. But nowadays, whatever SEO methods or strategies you're learning nowadays from the internet, mostly they're teaching you the white hat stuff, right? The white hat SEO techniques. So when it comes to backlinking strategies, you may not have heard about this term often, and that's why it may be the first time that you have heard. But even though it was used in the past, it is still very relevant in today, right? Even if you're doing like complete white hat SEO, to me personally, I don't think that there's a term called white hat SEO, right? Because if you're doing SEO, you're actually going against the Google's policies and rules, right? So I don't think there's any kind of like white hat SEO. But anyway, whatever types of link you're building, whatever strategies you're following, you need to make sure that your backlinks profile are diverse enough, and make sure you implement the pillow link strategies into your link building strategies as well. And that's all for it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you want me to create any videos about SEO, any topics, make sure you comment down in the comment section down below as well. And that's all for it. If you like this video, make sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I release a new SEO video like this. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.